Good job. Now sit up tall. Push your belly out and steer. Lift your hands. Stay in touch with him. Sit up, shoulders back. You're curling up. Shoulders back. Didn't like that turn. Almost ran into the Cavaletti. Sit up. Taller. Taller. Get your chest out. Heels down. Good. Very good. Keep a lot of outside leg. Good. Keep going. Canter the blue and gray Cavaletti. Just like that. Sit still. Sit still. Sit still. Good. And walk. Left shoulder back. Don't let him stop so abruptly. Okay, catch your breath.